This game is called Goodnight Meowmie, and just, there's a warning here, so this game may contain heavy emotional content, especially for pet owners, so if you think that'll be a problem, then just click off the video now. But other than that, I've already played this game before. I just wanted to play it, on the channel, so just to show other people the game, I guess, because it is a good game. But that's it, so I'm gonna get started. How do you start this again? Oh, it's just the space bar. I don't know why I forgot that. Oh, the cat's hungry. Okay, time to get the cat some food. For all the food now? It doesn't look like there's much more food in here. Is the cat hungry? No, Jesus, the cat's hungry. Wait, where am I supposed to get food for you? Oh, no, I remember. We'll make the cat happy first. Oh, I remember this part of the game, and the fact that my lights are off now makes it so much worse. Oh, God, I forgot about those things. Oh, God. Oh, God, there's music. No. Where do you know that's a bad idea? Is there food? Please let there be food. I don't want to go back. Ah, no. Ah. Ah, no, 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 nope. Nope, nope. I have to say that thing better not follow me all the way over here. Heck no. Ah! Oh my god, the cat's alive. Really? After that whole experience? Okay. Maybe like fed her all the... Okay. Get back out into the creepy hallway. Oh, it's the moving ones. I hated the moving ones. Oh, no. Can you walk a bit faster? Oh my god. Oh, thank god the door was unlocked. I'm so sorry, that was so loud. I don't want to go through the demon door quite yet. Can I? Won't it be locked? We just fed the cat straight up greenery. Oh, you better not be sick again. No. Alright. Where'd the skull things go? I mean, less trouble for me, so I'm all for that. Oh, where's the medicine? Dang it. No. Ah! Oh my god. Nope. Mm-mm. No. Oh my god, the cat. Cat. Okay. Cat. Cameron, you're gonna stay by my bed. Cat. Oh, I don't like that sound. No, where's the cat? Okay, what's with the scary music? Is this... I bet this is where the cat is. Is the cat dead? I want the cat to... Come on, cat. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. No. Speed walk. Speed walk. What is that? Talking. What is that? Speed walk to the best of your abilities, girl. Okay, follow the cat. It's bright. Where'd the cat go? Out through the window and something killed it. ending was sad. It's a dark ending. Not really, I guess it's... Okay. Well, that was Goodnight Meowmie. I'd recommend playing it yourself. It's a good game, even if the ending's sad.